Hi, this is the Price Action Analyst. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm just taking another look at Monero XMR. This is a cryptocurrency that I've had a buy recommendation on for a while now. I'm not sure exactly where the buy recommendation would have started, but maybe somewhere here on the breakout. And then XMR retraced to the trend line here when Bitcoin had its big run, because this is the XMR in the relative to the Bitcoin pair. And then it had a buying bar and a selling bar, and then these pushes up. I think I reiterated the buy recommendation. And then, around here I started to let people know that it was getting late to buy XMR, and I painted in these two green lines as the ideal entry zone. And the ideal entry zones move, so when price was down here, the ideal entry zone might have been a little bit different. I'm giving at each stage of, I have an expectation that this is going to break out, retrace, and push up. So at each stage of price action, when there is a buy recommendation on, these lines move. So down here, that range was probably in this vicinity here. And then when price moved here, the price action yesterday when I did this was above this green zone. And why I paint the green zone is because I'm expecting price to, it always zigzags and retraces, but I painted that in as an ideal place to, and probably a last place to get long, because XMR is now breaking out and is likely to push up strongly from here. So, tonight this got moved to a late buy. If you haven't bought in yet, it's now getting very late to buy into this. So if we drill down to the hourly chart, I just wanted to show you, that last night I would have done last night's recommendation with a buy and had, my zone marked in from this air up to around this air here. I'm not sure exactly where I did it in here, but I'm pretty sure the price was above this range. And so over the course of last night and today, price is retraced and it's come in and it's filled that air almost to the tick. So, I give my subscribers options to buy here, and you can buy here, and I'm pretty sure it's going to break out of here, but price always retraces in the short term. But if you bought here and you're holding the crypto, there's no problem with price retracing. It doesn't really matter. But I still give ideal entry zones. And so, I always give you the option to try and get in at the best price. And so, they're not always that good, but that was almost to the tick. Since I did it yesterday overnight, that's how price retraced. And this is giving every indication that this is moving up now, on the long term and the short term, because as it pushes up, it's making air, and then that air is filling, and it pushed up here, there's air here, it retraced, there's air here, this hasn't filled, but this may not fill now. I think it's just going to push up out of here. Again, these are hourly bars. They've made wicks at the wash of the high, but it's come in very shallow, and there's renewed strength, so I think price is going to push up from here. So I'm just doing that video to show, that's another buy recommendation that looks to be working, but also how I adjust and use or place my ideal entry zone. So every day that subscribers are looking at my buy recommendations, there's options for them to get in at the best price. But Monero looks good. This is one of the major altcoins. It's consolidated for a long time, washed support and tested support a lot, and now it's breaking out. So it's very high probability now that price works its way up to resistance. And I think what's going on is you're going to see a strong push, and you're going to see a shallow retrace here, and price is going to continue on. This will be a major area of weakness here. But I'll want to look at price when it gets up here, but I do believe that it's going to get to resistance and then eventually push through that. So we'll wait and see. But this is exactly what I like to see: a breakout, retest, and a push up. And this push should gather momentum as it starts to go, and hopefully we'll see a little bit more of a volume spike. that initial breakout, you can see there were days of where the volume spiked there and a little bit there. But that looks really good. I like Monero a lot, and it's got a buy recommendation on it. It's had it for a while, but that will probably, if price is up here tomorrow, it'll probably be placed to a hold, and then we'll just wait for the next entry opportunity. Anyways, please like the video, please subscribe. If you're interested, please have a look at the subscription service, and I'll see you in the next video.